Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be answering the question, can you unfollow everyone on Instagram at once? A lot of people say you can use third-party apps to do it, but I'm going to show you what I found when it comes to unfollowing everyone at once on Instagram. So first, head over to the Instagram app and you'll land on your homepage. Then, click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. As you can see, I'm following 34 people here. If I want to unfollow all of them, I would normally have to go through and unfollow each person one by one. I was looking around to see if there's a way to unfollow everyone at once, and most of the videos I found suggested using third-party apps like Cleaner for Instagram or Unfollow for Instagram. The problem with these apps is they don't actually work. Some of them are loaded with ads or ask you to pay money for features that don't deliver. It's just a scam, so avoid those apps. Another method I found involves contacting Instagram support. If you go to the three bars in the top right corner, open the settings, and then go to Help. You can click on Report a Problem and ask Instagram to unfollow everyone for you. This method has worked for some people, but not for everyone. Some have said Instagram never responded, and I've personally tried it, but it didn't work for me. So if you want to try this, you might have to follow up with Instagram a few times to get a response. So in the end, there isn't really a guaranteed way to unfollow everyone at once on Instagram. I hope this video answered your question. If it helped, I'd really appreciate a like and a subscribe. Leave any questions in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer them. See you next time.